All right, trader, it's Team With Erving here. Today we are gonna dive into our core of trading, understanding entry strategy and fundamental law of supplies and demand. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step top entry strategy and supply and demand analysis for profitable trader. I'm gonna give you a goal. I'm gonna tell you exactly why gold is doing what it's doing this coming week, guys. And the next pair that I'm also gonna give you, it is GBP JPY. Be on the alert, guys, because I'm gonna break it down for you slowly, because the goal here is to teach you why the market is doing what it's supposed to be doing, you know, all this coming week. So another amazing pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be Euro USD. Boom. Stay with me, guys, to the end, guys, because the last pair that I'm gonna give you is gonna blow your mind. It's gonna put you into hundreds and hundreds of blue pips. But I want you to understand and stay with the system, guys. So you know, the first thing that we're gonna do is try to understand supply and demands, guys. That's why we created multiple time frame, so that can help you understand what the market is gonna do. All right, so let's go ahead and review the very first pair of the week, guys, and that it is GBP JPY. First thing that you should be looking into here, guys, always pay attention what is your 4 hours and daily time frame is doing. Is it a buy or a sell? But just by looking at the dashboard, guys, you will get the answer. It's gonna tell you straightforward what the market is doing. If you see here, we haven't done any top analysis yet, but look at here, it's telling us the market here is selling. The red folder means sell and the green means buy. So automatically we already have the market here, it is selling. So what is next? We need to pay attention. The next thing we need to pay attention is we need to look for multiple time frame to match our TW sniper entry, right? So we are in real time, real data. So that's why we are going to be reviewing our top entry strategy, supply and demand analysis for profitable trader. So let me show you the real data, guys, because we're here for real stuff, not for back data. So all I care is I want you to understand. Remember, don't forget, guys, just by looking at the dashboard, we already have the market here is selling, right? That's what we have. So we don't have anything else. Just by looking this, we already have the market here is selling. So therefore, we're gonna look into real stuff, real data, real candle. Look here. This is the top analysis that I have for this coming week. Remember, the next thing you need to pay attention is what is your multiple time frame doing? Boom, it's selling. What is your Y multiple time frame is doing? Boom, it's selling. What is your TW sniper entry doing? Boom, selling. So sell. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Where's the trend going, guys? Boom. Market is only going in one direction, only, and that it is selling. So how far is this sell gonna go? This is me, guys. Market still selling, so market still gonna be pushing another 30-50 more pips. Then from here, look at this green arrow that we see here, green line. So market is gonna give us a pullback retest on your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci. Why? Because there is previous multiple time frame in here. So sell, pull back, and then boom, market will continue on the sell. So GBP JPY, the real trend on GBP JPY is only one damn trend, guys, and that it is selling. So that's why we need to look into the volume. We need to look if you guys use RSI, let me know, guys. I can give you another indicator why is overbought, why is oversold, and so forth. All right, so that will be your top entry for GBP JPY top entry strategy. All right, any question, guys? If I'm going too fast, please let me know. If you want me to review any of your pair that I'm not covering today, also let me know, guys. I'm here to help you. We need to make money together and so forth. All right, so the next pair, the most amazing pair that I'm gonna give you next, is going to be explosive. But pay attention, guys, to your dashboard. That will be Euro USD. Boom! Just look at the dashboard. Just look at the dashboard, guys. Look at the dashboard. I'm telling you, man. What is the dashboard doing, guys? What is the dashboard doing? Oh, yeah. What? Oh, yeah. and one said that the market is selling. Look at here. 4 hours and daily is doing what? 4 hours and daily is doing what? 4 hours and daily is doing what? It's selling. So the market here is only going in one direction only. It's saying that we are going down. So now let's go to the real data, guys. Real data should give you the real candle because that's what we're here for. Let's go ahead and analyze it. Look at here. We need to look for two main things in here. We need to look for multiple time frame and the TW sniper entry. Don't forget, 4 hours is selling. Here's your multiple time frame. Here's your TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Where's the market going? Boom! Market is going in one damn profitable trading downside market, guys. The demand, the supply and demand on an Euro USD, it is selling, guys. Guys, don't forget to don't trade any money you can afford to lose, guys. Trade with rules, learn the rules. If you need help, let me know. But check the news, guys. Checking the news is very important. Don't overtrade. Please do not overtrade. Please, guys. There's a lot of strategy, you know, top entry strategy in the market, guys. There's a breakout strategy, pullback entry, momentum strategy. There's a lot, guys. So just a quick tips to maximize your profit, guys. Always set a stop losses to protect your capital. It's very important. Be patient. Don't chase the market, man. Let it come to you. Continue learning, guys. Trading with in the trading world involves stay updated. You need to stay updated with the market, guys. You never stop learning on this business. That's why this is your pro tips for maximizing your profit. I'm gonna put all what I'm saying, guys, in the description so you can review and so forth. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the next pair that I think is going to be explosive, guys, and that is going to be one of the most traded pair in the world, and that it is gold. Boom! Look at the dashboard, guys. Look, just by looking at the dashboard, we do have a war between 4 hours and daily. Look at that. Both of them are not going in the same direction. If the market is not going in the same direction, we have a problem. We really have a problem. So the question here is, if 4 hours and daily time frame are contradicting, what is your job, guys? Me personally, I don't want to trade this type of trade, but you gain experience by doing this week after week. All right. So the next thing we need to look is, why is the market going against each other on the trend, right? So this is me, guys. Look. So I want you to pay attention. We need to look for multiple time frame. Boom, it's here. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom, it's here. But look at what happened here. We got a sell position. So the market is doing a pullback currently at this time. How far is this pullback is gonna go, guys? In my opinion, market is gonna come back and retest your 50 Fibonacci level, because this previous multiple time frame in there. Market is gonna do another pullback, going to your 38 point up because there's previous multiple time frame, and boom, market will continue on that pullback. Overall goal for this coming week, guys, it is selling. It's clearly telling you here the market is selling. Please do not screw it up, guys. It's very important for you to understand why the market is doing what it's doing. Please, it's very important, guys. Like I said, you know, all this depends, guys. You need to trade with rules. Stay with the rule. As of today, guys, we dive into the supply and demand, refine your entry strategy, and make your trade always be in the green, because I want you guys to make money. Guys, if you find this helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading insight. And guys, always pray for the world, guys. Always pray for Ukraine. Always pray for your family. I love each and every one of you, and stay tuned, guys. If you guys want me to make more video, please let me know. And remember, God bless you. God bless the world. God bless Ukraine. God bless each and every one of you and your family. And God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. So I will see you guys back on our next episode. Let's go. Let's trade with Team With Erving. Boom.